Hello, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable TalkBack feature. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your smartphone. And now search for TalkBack. It should be in accessibility mode. Enter it. And now switch this button to activate TalkBack.
TalkBack on. Welcome to Talk. Next. Drag your finger. Next. Add. Next. Add. Next. Pay. Next. Ready. Finish. Allow Android accessibility. Allow. TalkBack. Navigate up. Button. Double tap to activate.
Follow the tutorial to learn how to use TalkBack, and if you want to disable it, simply tap this button.
Use TalkBack. Turn off TalkBack. Turn off. TalkBack off.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.